Alright, here's an example of law of sines. If you get to this point in the 80s, which everybody should have no problem doing, you know why it's law of sines. We don't have to use law of cosines on it. We're going to get the third angle. 102 and 51 makes 153, so that's going to be 27 degrees. Now, law of sines, we can go like side. You can use X, V, and W, or you could change them to A, B, and C, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to go side X over sine of angle X, which is 102, equals side V over sine of angle V, which is 51 degrees. So the only unknown is side V. So cross multiply, divide. So 13 sine 51. 13 sine 51. Don't type it in a calculator yet. Here, I won't do that part yet. Equals V sine 102. V times the sine of 102 degrees. Divide both sides by sine 102. Here, I'll change color for a new step. Divide by sine of 102. Divide by sine of 102. Now we're done. Go type this in a calculator, which I'll show you how to do. 13 sine 51 over sine of 102. I'll use free graph calc like the one you guys have. You guys all have this app. First, I'm going to hit more down in the bottom right corner. I'm going to hit settings. I'm going to hit angles at the top and make sure it's in degree mode. I'm good. Go back out to calculator. Clear it out. And I forgot what it was. 13 sine 51. 13 times the sine of 51. Close the parenthesis. Divided by sine of... notice I'm hitting the trig button, by the way. Trig. And then all the functions are in there, all the trig functions of 102. I'm going to make sure that's what that said. 13 sine 51 over sine 102. Yep. So that answer, notice I put everything in all at once rather than messing up and rounding. So they want us to round to the nearest tenth. So that is 10.3. That was V, 10.3. Now, we've got to do law of sines again to get side W. Well, make a wise choice here. We might as well go up here and use this again. 13 sine 102 equals, and then the W's. So side W over sine of 27. This way you're not using anything rounded. If we go use the V's with the W's, then we're going to use this 10.3, which we rounded. And if you do that, don't use 10.3. Use like this whole number, 10.328602 or something, just to make it really accurate and precise. So now we do the same thing. I'll do it for you really fast. 13 sine of 27. I'm going to make a really fast step here, and then because you can follow what I did up there, and then divide by sine 102. So go type that in a calculator, and that's W, and we're done. Because we already found angle W. Remember, that's 27 degrees. So 13 sine 27 over sine 102. 13 sine 27 over sine of 102. Oops, I forgot to divide. So, there we go. Oops. 6.0. 6.0. Done. And I'll put those in and show you. V is 10.3. V is 10.3. W is 6.0. We should put in 0.0, but it should mark you right if you just leave it 6. And this was 27. Done. You might want to put 6.0 just to be sure, because that's what you should do later in science and math classes.